Alright guys, if you're watching this video, if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, I'll be posting a lot of videos that'll help you at home, and hopefully by the end of my videos you'll be able to do a repair like this at home by yourself. Alright, so in this video here, we got us a standard Kenmore dryer. These are great dryers. They're really dependable. The issue with this one is it won't start right now. You can turn the timer switch over here to the start, and you press the button right there, and it won't come on. It's a very simple issue. You can see right here, the door switch is broke. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to fix this and get your dryer back. So all you wanna do is always make sure your appliances are unplugged. As you can see, I don't have a cord on this one, it's outside. So what we're gonna do is you'll start by, you'll take this lint trap, you'll go ahead and pull this lint trap off, sit it off to the side. And you're gonna have, more than likely, some of them, if you bought a used dryer, or just to say, some people put a 1/4 inch bolt right here, but most times it's just a Phillips head. So I'm gonna grab my drill real quick and we'll come right back. I got my drill. I gotta grab my, you're gonna need a 3/8 for the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that piece real quick. Alright, so I've got my parts. Go ahead. Put a Phillips head on this one. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these two Phillips heads right here off. One more right here on this side. What we'll do at this point, you want to make sure you have something you can slide this against. It's like slide it out from the wall a little bit. So what you do here is, what I like to do is I'll take my foot and I'll step on one corner and I'll pull the top towards me just like that. You see how the sliding out like that, and it'll lift straight up. You do the same thing while you're holding that side up. With this side right here, you slide it out, lift it straight up, slide it out where you can sit it right up against the wall, just like that. Alright, so once you've got that done, what we're going to do here is I'm going to grab my drill, and if you look on the inside here, there's a 3/8 bolt on both sides. I'm gonna grab the adapter for that, but what we're gonna do first is we're gonna disconnect the door switch right here on the inside of the dryer. Alright, so there's a little pin right here. If you grab both sides of it, squeeze it, and push it downwards, you can pop that loose to give you a little bit more right here to work with, so you're not so working in just a corner of the dryer right there, which is kind of difficult to do. So all you got to do is just pry up this piece right here, just like that, and it slides right on out, just like that. Alright, so right here's the new switch. You can hear it clicking every time you push it in. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to go on the inside here. Very simple. There's two Phillips heads right here. I'm going to take these off. Alright, so this this point, I'm gonna reach on the inside here. Grab this so that it don't fall on the inside of the dryer and I don't have to completely take the door off. I don't have to. Alright, so now that you've got those two bolts out, this switch you'll just lift straight up. Alright, so once we've got it up, you want to hold on to it, and with your other hand, just like I said before, you just squeeze those two together, push them up. And this is the oven. And you can hear it's just completely just no good. Let's set that off to the side and we'll grab our new good one. Come on the inside here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and pop that in place. Grab this one, we're gonna go ahead and pop those two in place and make that easier on us. And all you do is you just sit this down inside. You grab your two bolts and you reach on the inside. Start to get these two bolts started. You want to at least get them started. All right, count one. Just tighten these up real quick. Once I get them snug enough, I'll come up here and give you a better view. These getting tightened up here. Not easy. And all we do now, this is the critical part, remembering to plug it in. And it's very simple, it just pops right in there, just like that. We'll close that door. All you gotta do now, slide your lid, lock it back in place, make sure you don't break those two clips. Right here, sometimes when you gotta put it back down, this won't be lined up. Be careful, you just line it right up. Right back up. Grab your two bolts. You line it right back up. So now that I've got this thing fixed and put back together, I'll clean it up and I'll paint it. Subscribe to my channel. I'll put a video of me cleaning this thing out. I'll take it right back apart, just for video purposes. We'll clean it out and I'll repaint it, redo it. And that's how you fix the door switch on a standard electric dryer.